इन्वॉल्वमेंट ही नहीं रहता ना सर?
नहीं. So here we have a cantilever beam which is subjected to point load, UDL as well as couple. The distance between these, you just take note down this. The distance between these. Here it is 0.5. Here it is 0.5. Everything is in meter. 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5 meter, and it is 0.5 meter. Now for this, first we'll calculate. Directly we'll go to the bending moment. Shear force you can calculate. If you want, we'll explain the shear force also. Shear force चाहिए, bending moment चाहिए direct.
सर बेंडिंग मोमेंट
Okay.
सर
Okay.
दोनों करो छोड़ो सर.
Okay. First you calculate shear force, then shear force at point F. Fast.
जीरो सर.
Zero.
Okay. Shear force at point E. At this point.
15.
Yes, 15 plus 15.
15 सर.
Next, shear force at point D. At this point.
सर 15.
Yes, plus 15.
15 into 0.5.
Next, shear force at point C. Shear force at point C. At this point.
See sir.
Hmm.
And see sir 15 into 1 15 plus 15 plus इतना जाता था खाली ये plus 15 नहीं जाता.
Yes, only 15. Shear force at point B. At this point.
B sir 15 plus 20.
15 kilonewton. Okay. Apart from this, see here, it is UDL. It is not a point load. The thing is, whenever there is a UDL, we need to convert into point load. So 20 kilonewton
15
per meter into the length of the UDL. What is the length? Is 0.5. Length of the UDL is 0.5. This meter get cancelled. So 15
20 into 0.2.
So this will be your 25 kilonewton.
कट के जा रही.
Sir, see here. Here you have UDL. Whenever there is a UDL, we need to
0.5.
convert UDL into point load. So 20 kilonewton. This is the force. This is the perpendicular distance. Force into distance we need to do whenever there is a UDL. Okay.
Yes sir.
So if you convert this, you will get 20 into 0.5 is 10, 15. So you will get 25 kilonewton, which is acting at the point B.
Plus 25 kilonewtons.
Yes. Next,
Sir, at the last
shear force at point A.
At the last same sir.
Hmm?
Plus 25 only.
25
Plus 20.
Yes. So once it has been done, next step what we need to do, we need to draw the shear force diagram. Now draw the shear force diagram. Start. First take a reference line which is parallel to the beam. Next, draw the magnitudes. Draw at F, we don't have any like a force, it is 0. At E, at point E.
At E sir.
At F is 0. At E, it is 15, right?
Sir.
Positive 15.
Yes sir.
So it is
yes sir.
Positive 15. At D, again it is same.
15 only sir.
At C, 15.
E sir 15 only sir.
At B, 25.
At B sir 25 sir.
At A, 25.
25 sir.
Okay, once you do this, the next step we need to draw. We need to join the lines here. Whenever there is a UDL, make sure that while we are drawing shear force diagram, we should draw inclined line. whenever we have a UDL and we are drawing shear force diagram, it should be an inclined line. This is the rule which I already explained you. It should be inclined,
Yes, sir.
remaining all parallel. Remaining all the parallel lines. So this is how the shear force diagram look like. You mention the values. You mention the values. Don't miss that. Here you mention it is 15 kilonewton. Apart from this, you mention this point A, B, C, D, E, as well as this is F. Here it is 15. Here it is 15 kilonewton. Here it is 25 kilonewton. Here it is 25 kilonewton. Clear?
Bending moment at F.
Yes. Once it has
0.
been done, the next step we need to draw the bending moment. First, before that, you need to calculate bending moment values. Okay. Now, bending moment at a point F is 0. We don't have any force. Bending moment at a point E, we have a force here, right?
Minus 15 into 0.5.
Minus 15 into, since we don't have any force over here, it should be 0. इधर क्या तो फोर्स है, तो ये फोर्स इनटू डिस्टेंस आ जाता था. इधर फोर्स ही नहीं है ना. We don't have any force here, so it is 0.
Right, sir.
So it is 0. So here also it is 0. Bending moment at a point D. Now calculate the bending moment at point D. It is simple. Bending moment point at a point D. Minus 15
Minus
kilonewton
15
into how much? The distance is 0.5. Next, it is acting clockwise. Clockwise in the sense minus. Minus 20.
Minus 20.
So how much?
12.5.
See, 15 into 0.5 is 7.5 minus 20. So minus 27.5 kilonewton meter, which is acting at this point. Now,
7.5.
bending moment at a point C.
Point C. Minus 15 into
Minus 15 into
0.5.
1. Okay. Minus 15 into 1. This is 1. Na? Next,
Minus 20.
we have minus 20. Okay. Next.
At point C, there is nothing. It is 0.
Okay. What is the answer?
Same, sir. Minus 15, minus 20, minus 35.
Okay. Minus 35.
Yes, sir.
Now calculate bending moment at a point B. Calculate now.
0.1, 15 into 0.5, sir. Minus
Sorry, minus
20,
15
sir.
into how much? 1.5.
Minus,
minus 15
yes, sir.
into this force into distance. It is nothing but 1.5.
1.5, sir.
Next, minus 20. Minus 20. Next, minus. This is the important here. How we can calculate? First, what
20.
we need to do? We need to convert this UDL into point load. To do this, what we need to do? Minus 20 into the length is total 1.5. Now we have converted. This is nothing but force. This is nothing but your force. Now the distance. The distance is where it is acting, exactly at the center. First, this is the force.
Yes, sir.
This is the force, and means in the sense we have converted this UDL into point load. To convert UDL into point load, intensity of load into the distance.
Yes, sir.
Now we have converted. like we are calculating bending moment, so bending moment is nothing but force into distance. This is force. What is the distance at this point? It is acting from here to here,
20.5
from here to here.
into divided by 2.
Yes, 0.5
2, 3
divided
something.
by 2. 0.25, yeah? We can directly write like
2, 3 something.
0.25.
Yes, sir.
5
divided by 2.25.
कितना आता देख बाबू 0.5 divided by 2 0.25 ना
0.25, sir.
25 fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now simplify this, simplify and tell me the answer.
Minus 45.
Minus 45
2.5, sir.
minus 45 kilonewton.
Final answer, sir.
Ah,
Final answer, sir. Yeah.
final answer. Bending moment at point B.
Minus 22.5. Minus 20. Minus 2.5. Minus 45. Yes, sir.
Okay. No. We have remaining 10 minutes. Do one thing, like determine bending moment at point A fast.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the answer.
Point 8, no, sir.
Point A. Bending moment at a point A. At this point. Again, the forces which are acting here, that is nothing but the minus 15 kilonewton, which is acting at a distance of here from here to here. It is how much? 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. So it is 2. Okay, next minus we have this one 20. Next
Minus 30, minus 20, minus 10, sir.
minus what we need to do first, UDL into point load in the sense 20 into 0.5. It is converted. Now the distance from here to here, what is the distance from here to here? It is
Here to here, sir.
0.5 plus 0.25.
Yes, sir.
Minus 75, 0.75.
What is the answer for this? What is the answer for this? I hope so. This is understood. ये समझ में आया ना इधर का, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है this point.
Sir, minus 57.5.
Yes, minus 57.5 kilonewton meter. This will be the answer. Very simple. I think so. I hope so. Very few students has been understood this. The remaining those who are absent for the classes, they don't understand usually. But the thing is, they should attend the class. When they attend the class, they easily can understand. Okay, fine. Now what we need to do? Next step is to draw bending moment diagram, right? Okay. To draw bending moment diagram, what we need to do? We need to take a reference line. For example, this is your reference line, and next you need to mark the points over here. Here we have, this is point A, this is B, this is C, D, E, as well as F. Okay, once we draw this, next step, what we need to do here? We need to draw the magnitude. Magnitude is 0 over here, it is 0 over here. At this point, at point D, what is the bending moment? At
Minus 27.5.
Okay, minus 27.
Minus 27.5.
Okay. At point C, minus 35. Right? How much at point C?
Point C, sir. Minus 35, sir.
At point B?
At point B minus 45, sir.
At point
Minus
A
45.
minus 57.
At point A, sir, minus 57.5.
Okay, we'll write the magnitudes over here, then we'll understand you. So at point F0, at point E0, at point D, we have here 27.5. Here we have 35. Here, what is the value? The value is at point B. At point B, it is 45. At this point, it is 57.5. You mention the unit. Don't forget that. Mention the unit. Once it has been done, next step. Next step easy. See, since we are drawing bending moment diagram में क्या रहता है? Whenever there is a UDL, when you are drawing bending moment diagram, what we need to do? It should be
Line. Yeah, curved line. Curved line.
parabolic line. ऐसा आता है.
Parabolic, sir.
If it is a shear force diagram, what should be? यहाँ क्या आता था? Shear force दे तो inclined line आता था, है ना? Since we are calculating bending moment here,
Sir.
bending moment diagram, it should be parabolic. बाद में यहाँ से यहाँ को इसको clear, इसको इधर से यहाँ को join कर दो, इसको क्या दिक्कत नहीं, ये inclined रहना, it should be inclined line from here to here, from this point to this point, this is the inclined, and from this point to this point it is inclined on, right? From here to the thing is यहाँ एक चीज confusion, यहाँ कपल हो रहा है ना, कपल क्या है? क्लॉकवाइज हो रहा है. क्लॉकवाइज हो तो नेगेटिव इन द सेंस फ्रॉम वेयर टू वेयर वी नीड टू टेक. Couple which is acting in the clockwise direction, right? What is the value? It is 20. For 20 in the sense it comes around here, somewhere here. इसको color change करो. Okay, here it is.
सर पॉइंट और एक बार से समझो सर.
Which one?
वही सर अभी जो पढ़ा रहे सर आप.
See, ये clear हो गया, ये inclined line, एक curved line हो गया.
हाँ वो सर.
See, at point D we have a couple. ये तो 27.5 ओरिजिनल वैल्यू था, ओरिजिनल वैल्यू इधर 20 किलो न्यूटन क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में हो रहा है ना, अप्लाई हो रहा है ना.
माइनस 20 करना सर.
सो यहाँ से पॉइंट डी से माइनस 20 बोले तो यहाँ को आ गया.
ओके सर.
ओके, ये पॉइंट से क्या करना तुमको? इधर ज्वाइन करना, इसको इंक्लाइन लाइन ज्वाइन करो. ये पॉइंट से इसको इंक्लाइन लाइन ज्वाइन करो, ये पॉइंट से इसको इंक्लाइन लाइन ज्वाइन करो. हो गया.
हो गया सर.
बस इतना ही.
ओके सर.
ये एक पॉइंट रखने का, ये कर लेना बस. ये कपल आता है ना, कपल क्या होता है? एक ही पॉइंट में एक्ट होता है, वो तो यही पॉइंट में एक्ट होता है. ये इसको कौन सा डिस्टेंस में नहीं होता है, इसलिए ऐसा आता है.
यस सर.
इन केस वो क्या तो इन बिटवीन डी एंड ई में एक्ट होता है तो क्या रहता था? पॉइंट लोड रहता था. कपल है ना, बस यही पॉइंट में एक्ट होता है, इसलिए ये एक डिफरेंस आता है बस. दिस इज एंटायरली योर. यहाँ से ऐसा था, स्ट्रेट आया, पैराबोलिक स्ट्रेट, यहाँ अंदर गया स्ट्रेट, यहाँ से ऐसा. क्लियर? दिस इज हाउ the bending moment diagram for the given beam can be calculated like this.
Sure.
I hope so this class was interesting. Like we have covered almost all the topics. The remaining one problem which we have left is when a beam is subjected to UVL दिया बोले तो कैसा करना? When a beam is subjected to UVL,
Okay.
like we'll solve 2 to 3 problems on that. If we solve that, almost 50% of the sellers, 50% of this model has been covered, and remaining 50, that is nothing but when a beam, simply supported beam, subjected to point load UDL UVL, we need to see that.
Yes sir.
Okay, shall we end the class now?
Yes sir.
Okay, if anybody has the doubt, you can ask the question.
Yes sir.
Okay, all the best, to do well.
Yes.
Okay.